Hi, I'm George Steimer, Product Manager with TSG. If you're following along in the TSG Compliance Solution demo series, we're building upon a scenario where you want to update our disaster recovery SOP, specifically to add a server to the Thursday backup schedule. In this demo, we're going to focus on the route for review process. So here we're in HPI and we have our change request loaded. We can see the attached workflow document. So here's our document with the change. We simply added a server to the Thursday backup schedule. This one right here. And so you can see we can jump between our change form and the document very easily. We have some actions on the change form. In the previous demo we did a start route for review. We could edit the form if we want to at this point, or we can go ahead and start the approval process, which is what we are going to do. Go ahead and start the route. And you'll notice here that the status of the form changed from pending approval, or from draft to pending approval, and our overlay on the PDF changed as well to pending approval. You can also take a look at the attached document, which also is in the pending approval state. So I'm going to go ahead and check my email. It's the initial QA person will have received a task. So here's what their email is going to look like. And we'll go ahead and just click this link to, it's going to ask us to log in. Now we'll log in as the initial QA, Alice. And we're taken right to our task, and we can see the form again, the documents, do whatever review we need. If we wanted to, we could delegate our task. So I could just start typing to delegate to another user if I want to do that. I'm not going to do that here though. And I'll just go ahead and complete my approval. Go ahead and approve. Alright, so the approval is complete, and now if we go ahead and take a look at the PDF, we can see the e-signature has been added to the form. And if we take a look at the document, we can see a signature page was added here as well. We can also take a look at the audit history, so we can view our audit events for this form, so we can see everything from when the route was started to this task approval here. You can also look at the workflow status, just as a quick sort of status as to who is approved, who has processed their task, and who is still pending. So now I'm going to log in as the next approver. This user would of course have gotten an email as well, but I'll just show if you log in, we have an inbox item for our CR approval. And I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing and complete the approval route. Let's go ahead and do that approval. Okay, so you're going to see here that the form has gone to version 1.0 and an approved status. If we take a look down here, we'll also see the e-signature has been added. We can see the audit events as well. That task was audited. And the same thing on the document. We'll see that it has been moved to, in this case, a 2.0 and is now approved. And our e-signature was added at the bottom here as well. Well, that's it for this demo. Thanks for listening. Be sure to follow along with the next demo on the TSG Compliance Solution series, where we'll show how to make this document that we just approved effective in the system. Thanks for listening.